Another interesting effect is pan and zoom. As you can see, you can pan or zoom in a specific area of your images. As you can see, when we select an clip or video, it does not active because we need I reduce them. We need an images or photos for activating that pan and zoom effect. So going to the assets and insert some images. I insert images. If your image is so big and heavy, the pan and zoom has a little bug. I don't know why it's go very heavy. So you have to insert, I don't know why, but when you insert your photos, as you can see, they are still in position and have no effect, no animation. But if you want to more beautiful animation for that, you just select all of your photos and just activate pan and zoom effect. If you play, and you can see this animation on your images. I delete that, or you can do it in just your one images. Here, if you go and activate that, we have an start and end box. For example, you want to tell the software, for example, start on this start from this position. You can click here, for example, start from the hand, and select the end and end, for example, here. Start from here and pan from here. Pan and start. As you can see, it's doing like this. Okay. Go to the start, go to the end. It means that. And you can change the size of the start and position of that. First, we are looking here and then pan and zoom to this direction. Or you can overlap them. For example, start from this, or no, it's the hand of that man, and then expand to the all images. You can see that. Pan and then go to the whole image. This is an pan and zoom. If you don't want to have a heavy and bug, because if your image is very heavy and we have a lot of image to pan and zoom, the software will be crash. It's not good. Just select your images and activate that. It is very heavy in a playback, but when you export it, everything is right and correct. Okay, this is an pan and zoom.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.